One'sBet promo code Singapore. Which One'sBet promo code should I use to register on One'sBet Singapore? When you download the One'sBet application to your phone, when registering you will be asked for a promo code. If you don't have a promo code, don't worry. Here is the promo code that you must use to validate your registration in Singapore. MANA64. It is this promo code which allows you to double the first amount that you will deposit into your One'sBet account. It is very important to use the promo code MANA64. This One'sBet promo code allows you to have the One'sBet Monday bonus. The One'sBet promo code allows you to have the One'sBet Friday bonus. To create your One'sBet account in Singapore, you can choose the One'sBet registration method that suits you. You can choose One'sBet registration in one click. You can also choose One'sBet registration by telephone number. You can also choose the full One'sBet registration. Among all these methods of registering on One'sBet in Singapore, you will always be asked for a promo code. It is very important that you use the promo code MANA64 to double your first deposit on One'sBet. When you have validated your registration on One'sBet, remember your username and password carefully so as not to forget them. Sometimes it's better to write them down somewhere on a piece of paper so you don't forget. The One'sBet promo code MANA64 allows you to double the first amount that you will deposit into your One'sBet account. As you know, sports betting in Singapore has become a great way to make money in Singapore by betting on football matches, tennis matches, basketball matches, and many others. You just need to do very good analyses. Or simply follow our predictions that we make on this channel to have better results in sports betting. It is very important that you subscribe to this channel and activate the notification bell to enjoy our free predictions on football matches, our predictions on tennis matches, our predictions on ice hockey matches, our predictions basketball matches, and many others. Now you know the One'sBet promo code in Singapore which allows you to register with One'sBet in Singapore. You know the One'sBet Singapore promo code which allows you to create a One'sBet Singapore account. Do not worry anymore. You already know the new One'sBet Singapore promo code. This is the ideal One'sBet Singapore promo code. Hashtag promo code One'sBet Singapore. Hashtag One'sBet Singapore. Hashtag promo code One'sBet Singapore. Hashtag One'sBet registration. Hashtag One'sBet account.